How to set up email encryption in Outlook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to set up the encryption on Outlook email messages, here is the tutorial. First and foremost, tap open your Outlook application and go to new email. Write in all of the details such as the email to be sent to, the subject of the email, and the message that you want to encrypt in the email message. Once you have written all of the text, then you should see for the option in the Ribbons tab. From there, you should see something written as encrypt, which might ask you for Right Management System access. However, there's another option as well. Tap on the three dots which is on the corner, and from there you will see a list of options. From there, select on Message Options. After that, it will take you to another dialog box, from where select on Security Settings. Click on the first option of Encrypt Message and add digital signature as well. Once all of this is done, tap on OK, and then you have directly set up encryption for your email. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Till then, keep watching.